Take a ride in the 2015 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated outside mirrors, power mirrors, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, OnStar Communication System, cruise control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.